How to replace a battery in a 13-inch MacBook Pro Mid 2012 edition in 9 steps. Things you'll need: MacBook Pro, new battery replacement, 00 Phillips screwdriver, a Tri-lobe screwdriver, and an anti-static nylon pry tool. Step 1. Shut down the laptop, flip it over, and use the 00 screwdriver to open up the bottom of the computer. 10 screws altogether. The 3 top right screws on the MacBook are longer than the others. Remember this when installation is completed. Step 2. Use nylon tool to detach the battery connector. Step 3. Use the tri-lobe screwdriver to remove the screws that are keeping the battery in place. Step 4. Peel back the label on the left and use the plastic tab to lift the battery up and out of the MacBook Pro. Step 5. For installation, set the new battery in the MacBook Pro well, making sure the notches line up correctly. Make sure it sits flat in the bay. Step 6. Replace tri-lobe screws. The longer one goes on the right and the shorter one goes on the left. Step 7. Align the battery connector in its socket and push it back into place. Step 8. Close the bottom of the laptop by screwing the 10 screws in. You can now open up the laptop for calibration. Let the battery go under 10%, then shut down the laptop. Then fully charge the laptop to 100% uninterrupted when you see the green light come on. Now you're ready to turn on your laptop. Head over to my YouTube page for more how-to videos on how to help yourself upgrade your MacBook Pro. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more. I'm Art Turner, helping your dreams become tangible aspirations.